So, hello. Once again, I'm back on my old trustworthy Dell Alienware M17 R5 AMD edition. Sorry for this. Recording locally and streaming. Today I'm streaming once again on YouTube live service. And before I will continue, let me check out the stream if it works properly. Sorry again. So here we are. Okay. So yeah. Once again, I'm back on Arch Linux. And before we continue, I will show you the system information using the system settings. So, system settings about this system: Arch Linux KDE Plasma 6.6.4, Wayland, of course. Really sorry for this, my throat is killing me, so to speak. Anyway, the system has 32 GB of RAM and 2 TB of SSD space. The CPU is AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX, and the GPU is also AMD Radeon RX. Really sorry for this. 6800M. And let's go now to the terminal. I will place it here and then zoom in a bit. So yeah, you can pause the stream and take a good look here. Yeah, I guess this will not go well with my throat. So yeah, pay attention to the screen resolution. I'm running the system at full 4K 3840 by 2160 at 120 Hz. However, I'm streaming and recording at full 4K resolution, yes, but 30 FPS per second. So you can pause the stream, or later on during the day you can pause the video, take a good look at the system information at your own pace, and yeah, this is it. Let me put the terminal back there. So yeah, what is Arch Linux for those who don't know or who don't remember? Let me show you that using 3 web pages. The first one will be the Arch Linux Wikipedia page. Let me zoom in. So, Arch Linux is an open source rolling release Linux distribution. Arch Linux is kept up to date by regularly updating the individual pieces of software that it comprises. It provides monthly snapshots which are used as installation media. Arch Linux is intentionally minimal and is meant to be configured by the user during installation, so they may add only what they require. And then it continues to say plenty of good information on this website. However, the true diamond, the true masterpiece of Arch Linux information is the official website. So here we are. A simple, lightweight distribution. You have reached the website for Arch Linux, a lightweight and flexible Linux distribution that tries to keep it simple. Currently, we have official packages optimized for the x86-64 architecture. We complement our official package sets with a community-operated package repository that grows in size and quality each and every day. And then continues to say plenty of good information, mentioning, of course, Arch Linux Wiki, the official Arch Linux Wiki. And here we are. Arch Linux is an independently developed x86-64 general purpose GNU Linux distribution that strives to provide the latest stable versions of most software by following a rolling release model. The default installation is a minimal base system configured by the user to only add what is purposely required. I'm terribly sorry, so very sorry. Yeah, but here we are. Anyway, I've been showing you quite a few things in my Arch Linux videos, and in the past couple days or so I've been trying to show you how to customize, how to theme it, and I've been using Virt-Manager solution, and we'll continue doing that today. So here we are, Virt-Manager, and then I will open up and boot the virtual machine. I will put it here in the corner. And yesterday I tried to focus on the theming part mostly, and even though I had a to-do list, so to speak, I still forgot to do something related to theming. Let me show you first. Sorry. On global theme, even though I went ahead and showed you all the settings, like for example colors being sweet, application style being quantum dark, plasma style being sweet, window decorations being sweet dark, and the icons being beauty line. However, another option will be candy icons. This was my old default, but since I met on Garuda Dragonized Gaming Edition, the beauty line icon set, I didn't know about these icons before that. I stuck with them more often than not. And then I mentioned sweet cursors, and this is what I forgot about basically. I forgot about the red glass cursors, which I think it was Zorin OS of all distributions that I seen those cursors there. And I forgot to mention that you can have those cursors, of course, in Arch Linux. So I'll just go ahead and do that before we'll continue. And also, before doing that, I will check out for system updates like this. Okay, let's do Paru also. I think I have it fully updated, but okay, here it is one. Okay, and let's check out Discover 2 to make sure that everything is up to date. Okay, nice. So yeah, let's grab the cursors. I think it was X cursor theme or X cursors theme. Okay, I misremember. Let me try this one. Okay, here we are. So it's basically sudo pacman minus s X cursor themes. And now we go back to system settings. Oh, my bad, sorry. I just wanted to go to global theme, discard the change, cursors. Oh wow. Let me log out and log back in. Okay, let's check out again. Cursors. Okay. This is very strange. I think it was installed on the root. Let's see. So yeah, maybe this was the problem. Let's steal these two folders. Go back to home. Okay, in this point, at this point in time, before I will continue, let's do the Dolphin customization that I had in mind anyway. I think it was the document here. So let's use this as the basis. Let's start with the system settings, and I will get back to cursors, I swear. I promise. Not swear, I promise. Quick settings. And I just want a single click for the Dolphin items. So when I will just click on an item, it will use it basically. It will open or something. And let's go then to the rest of the customizations, like first of all, let's make the menu appear. So here we are, nice. And now I will keep on going like this. These are the view options, details. I don't care about the previews, but I do care about the show hidden files. And then right now I can continue with the red glass cursors. Basically, since I can see now the hidden folders, I can click and paste. Boom. And now I think the cursors will be available. Let's see. Still not. This is very interesting. I don't remember having this issue on my system. One more logout. Let's see. I truly don't remember having this issue before. Oops. Okay, this is insane. Yeah. Let's drop it for now. I thought this would solve it, but apparently it didn't. Or I missed maybe an item regarding these items. One more try, one last try. I don't want to waste any more time showing the configuration stuff. So let's go here and here. What is it that doesn't trigger it? Very, very, very strange. Okay, this is interesting. I have to check out my system. I don't remember having this issue. Okay, white glass, red glass. What else? Could be this one? Default? No, of course not. This is the... Okay, this is very strange. Yeah, I don't know why this is happening. I didn't have this problem with my system. I will return to this to the next stream. Don't want to waste any more of the time. So let's check out again what we did so far. Basically, I went to system settings. On clicking files or folders, I selected opens them. So basically, this enables a single click on the Dolphin. And then I came here on the view settings and enabled the show hidden files and disable show previews, and also enable details. And this is how the system appears to be now. So if I will close this, oops, wrong click, sorry, my bad. Boom. And also this default behavior is something that I don't like, and I have set it already to change it. So I have to go to configure Dolphin, and I want always to open the home folder basically instead of the last used folder or last open folder. So yeah, this is the first thing. Then on the third tab, confirmations. I like to have confirmations on everything because I'm an old cow and sometimes I make mistakes, so better have the system protect me from my stupidity. Then we go to the fourth tab and I use condensed date. I prefer this a lot. Then we will go here on the view, on the side panel on the view. And then on the second tab, content display, I use for the date absolute and permission style combined. Apply. What else? Then on context menu, I pretty much select everything except the hide. Apply. And of course, I have to customize a little bit the Dolphin toolbars. Basically, I need the up option. Here it is. And I like to have it between the back and forward. And then I like to have the open terminal here. Where is it? Let's search. Open terminal here. Boom. And then let's just put it maybe here is fine. Apply. And last but not least, this one I don't recall. I don't like the text next to the buttons. I don't care for it. Let me check the configuration of the Dolphin. Text. Yeah, this is the KDE curse, so to speak. So many options I don't remember, and between versions they change them. And for some reason now I don't remember where was it. Or maybe it wasn't even an option. Text position, yeah, here it is. Icons only. Much better. So here we are. And a couple more things left basically. Here in settings. On window management. Here. The other day, for some reason, I had set it on focus under mouse, but it was focus follows mouse, the one that I preferred. And have raise on hover delayed by blah blah blah, not clicking, no something else. And then when I click on the toolbar with my middle click, I want to have it to minimize the windows basically. And then there are other options, plenty of options that anyone can customize as they see fit, but these are fine for now for me. One more thing regarding the I think I have it here. Yeah, the animations, right. So basically I don't care for the animations. So no animations, and back to window management. For example, this one, the click that I do here on the screen, and you can see these circles. Basically, it's this mouse click animation, but I will not enable for the virtual machine. However, I would like to enable few other options, like, for example, translucency, and I will leave it on the default value, and obli windows. And this one, I think I have it like about here. And last but not least, it goes without saying, we have to grab mouse styler and remember Windows positions. Must, it's a must. Remember the 5th of November. So yeah, let's click install. Of course, I will not configure them now, but they are a must. Yes, absolutely. Let's enable them. with the default options, no problem for now. And then on virtual desktops I have to do my normal thing, like show on screen display when switching, and then let's have 3 more. Sorry, no, not rows, desktops, sorry, my bad. Okay, navigation wraps around, apply. And for now I will keep this panel tool here. Perfect. And let's try now to move the dolphin around. Here it is, mouse styler as well. Perfect. And let's see if it's the remember Windows position works as well. Boom. Perfect. Just perfect. And then I can do the same for the terminal, for example, like this. And then let's do the twist. I'm joking, sorry. Dad jokes and all that. Let's put it here. Nice. And yeah, I think this was it. Yeah. I will get back to the cursors thing. It's like, you know what? Before I will go, let's just remove this panel from here. I will click here and remove, close, exit. Okay, because I don't need it, it doesn't matter for me. So yeah, I'll return on this red cursors thing, red glass thing. I find it puzzling that it didn't work. Let me try this one. Maybe it was something sillier. Where is it? Okay. Yeah, something is amiss. Maybe it threw an error when I installed it, let's see. And I didn't notice. No errors. Okay, I promise one last restart on the virtual machine. Maybe it needs to restart the system. Because I really don't recall having issues with it. Let's see, settings, and cursors, no, I will really give it a sort of line and then see what is going on. This is puzzling to me, absolutely puzzling. Anyway, let's not drag this any longer, it doesn't need to be. We had some good progress today as well, like some Dolphin stuff, some setting stuff, recapped the theming stuff as well, not bad, not bad. Yeah, I don't think I forgot something from my to-do list this time. Maybe I misread something, but I don't think that I missed something. I had with question marks the Sweet Dark V40 on one of my systems, and this is puzzling to me that it's even newer on the KDE Plasma. It has an option that I can select a theme for the GTK apps, but I don't see it in my other systems, so maybe it's an old setting, a leftover from an upgrade not going well or something. But yeah, I don't see it in my other Linux distributions using KDE Plasma. Anyway, I think I've said everything for today there is to say. If I forgot something, like I do more often than not, I will I will say it tomorrow or whenever the next stream/video is going to be. So yeah, as always, thank you for everything. Really, I do. Thank you for everything. And see you on the next one. Bye!